Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to do a little bit of craziness, which I love to do. If you have a palette or a single eyeshadow, whatever it is, take it out and let us have some makeup fun. Let us inspire each other to live their best life no matter what they choose to do. And I also have another channel where I put my little stories and tidbits. If you'd like to go visit and subscribe there, the name is For the Broken by V. It is in my description box. Check it out. Tell me what you think over there. You can go over there and subscribe. And if you're here on this channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have a request of a certain eyeshadow color, leave it in the comments and I will try to get that done for you. Okay, now let's do something crazy. Palettes out, let's have fun. My first palette is this Carnival Pro. I love it. As you can see, some of my colors are panned. So I'm always using that, whether it's behind the scene, in the scene, and I never mention it, I am always using it. So, okay, we're gonna start with black. Everybody's afraid of black. I like to just dive into colors and see what they bring out and how they show up. So black it is. I base my eyes with the LA Pro. It is almost done. I have this thing for a long time. They last a long time and they're really, really good. And they're very inexpensive. So if you're looking for an eye base, you can try this one. So black it is. Let's do black. For everybody out there who's afraid of black, we're playing with black today, but we will elevate it to something else, okay? So let's just have a little makeup fun. If you have hooded eyes, you can have fun with black or any color in your eyeshadow palette. If you didn't pick black like me, pick something else. Something you would never ever touch in your eyeshadow palette. Play with it. Now when you're done, just wash your face. So this is me and my hooded eyes. You see, you can tell I have hooded eyes. All this puff right here is hooded, and then I have a fold. You see? But I still love playing with my makeup. So take your palette out. Let's get a little bit of self-confidence and self-esteem and a little pick-me-up today. This is one eye, black. Next one, we're going to do the same thing, black. Tap it in and blend as you go, a little bit at a time, nothing, don't rush, just take your time. As you can see, one eye is bigger than the other, so I have to try and match it as much as possible. See this side and see this side? So we work with what we have. Okay, we don't need surgery or anything like that to make us beautiful. We were born beautiful. Don't let anybody tell you anything different. When people tell you words that hurt you, deep down inside you, you have those good words to make yourself feel better. Okay, so you are special, you are beautiful, and you know who you are. Don't let another person tell you anything different. You see this eye of mine? Can I show it? Can you see? This eye has a growth. It's always red. Always red. Sometimes I put a little Visine in to give me a little clear eyes, but 99% of the time I'm walking around with a red eye. And people always ask me, is everything okay? I'm like, yep, I have a sun growth in my eye. And the doctor say, even though I try to have surgery with it, 80% of the time they grow back. So I'm not gonna go have surgery just so it can grow back. So I just live with it. Okay, so don't let people tell you and tell you things and put you down. You are special. You were created for a reason. You are here on this God's green earth for a reason. Live it. Live it well. Okay, our eyes are looking okay. There is no perfection on this channel. We just try to have fun and make things look okay. That's it. If you're going for perfection, that's okay. I don't mind you go for perfection. But me over here, I never strive to be perfect. I just strive to be good. Bad, good, good, just good. Life is short, you gotta live it. Please live life. Live it well. Okay, so now this is the black. This alone could be an eye look, you know what I mean? A liner, mascara, and you set. But we're going further. We're playing and we're having fun, and I want to do something a little crazy. Now I put this palette away, and my Juvias Place culture, I have not played in it much, so we are going to try something. Yeah. I love playing in makeup. Lord have mercy. This is the palette. This is a cute palette. I am going to take one color and put on one eye, another color on another eye, and we're gonna see what we come up with, right? Let's see. I will swatch the color. I never know which color, so I'm just gonna deep dive in one of them. Okay, I deep dive. And the name of that one is, ooh, I have no glasses. I have no glasses. Where's my glasses? I don't even know where my glasses are. I will tell you the name later because I don't know where my glasses are. So we're gonna go in here. I need the mirror over here. And we're gonna go on this eye, and I'm gonna put this color. This is a very pretty color. This is cute. Well, it's Juvia's Place. I know Juvia's Place always make good stuff. I always try to give you my honest opinion over here. So when you spend your money, you're not spending it wrong. I will not guide you wrong. I will always tell you my honest truth, because your hard-earned dollars have to be spent well. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. How cute. I gotta know the name. I don't mind magnifying glass, but I'm going to swatch it for you. And it is this color right here. Oh my God, this is cute. So I have this one on my right eyes, which will be your left. Now we're gonna go look again for another color and take it and put it on my left, which will be your right. Okay, which one do I want? This is the color I just used. I just used this color right here, this one. So in the palette, you see, it's just cute. I never think of what I'm doing. Okay, oh my God. Oh, and I tell you, I haven't played with the palette yet much. I did a couple single eyeshadow looks from it, but I haven't done much with it. Take a look at this one. They almost want to look the same, but they're not the same. Isn't that something? Take a look. And I'm going slow so you can see the other one and see. It's not the same color, but they kind of give the same vibe, isn't it? I'm going to swatch it so you can see, because it is not the same thing at all. Okay, this is the first color, which is on my left, which will be your right. This is the first color, which is on my right, which will be your left. This is the second color, which is on my left, which will be your right. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to put them right next to each other so you can see. Am I going the right way? I actually made a V or an X. Either way you want to look at it. No, a V that turned into a Y. So these are the two colors, you see? They are nowhere the same. When you look in the pan, they're not even. I love this about eyeshadow. You know, eyeshadow look different. This is this one on the right eye, which will be your left. And this is this color right here on my left, which will be your right. You see the difference? And yet still, when you swatch them, they kind of look the same. And here they are on my eyes. Oh my God, Juvia's Place always does a fantastic job. This one has some purple. I need magnifying so I can tell it the truth. Ooh, this one has some purple and pink in it. And this one has green. This one has green and silver to it. That's why they almost look the same, but they're not. Oh my, this is pretty, pretty, pretty. This is me back with the two different eyeshadow color. Look, they're both shimmers. They are both beautiful. One has a pink base, which is this one right here. It has a shift according to how you move it. It has a pink base. This one has a green base. And even though they look alike, they're completely different. OMG, I feel sexy. Yes, I feel sexy. Who are you? 56? Almost 57? Yes, 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 yes. This is what makeup does. It gives you a little pick-me-up. It transforms you into something fun, different, exciting. And at the end of the day, you can wash it off and still remain you. Now, let me tell the names of the shades that I use. I'll put my glasses on now. But my lip color is the NYX Black Pencil. I put it over the e.l.f. lipstick. And that is what I have on. But feel empowered with whatever you do. Makeup gives me that extra oomph. I love a camera, and I like to be different and be unique and create whatever comes to mind. You can do that. Please do. Please stay creative. Please create, even though it's one color eyeshadow on regular eyes or hooded eyes. Just do it. Do it and have fun. Now the names. The two colors that I use today, one is named Afrobeats. One is named Omega and one is named Afrobeats. Omega is on my right, your left, with the pink shift. Afrobeats is on my left, which is your right, and it has a green and a purple shift. It is so pretty. I just wish it showed the different shifts. I'm trying to see if I can see if it will give me that pink. But if you have the palette, you know. This is everything for today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying, go out, live life, have fun. And again, here is the color. Right is Omega, left is Afrobeats. If you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comment and I'll do more. Other than that, stay fabulous and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.